Alright guys, it's me again, just wanted to make another video, we're here with Forza Motorsport 6 again, and I've decided to go in and I've bought all of the GTLM cars, or at least the modern ones, and with not the DLC, and I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go to Circuit de Catalunya, and I'm gonna test all of them out, and just mainly get a feel for how well each one of them drive, and then once I finish driving each one of them, I'll give my opinions on each one of them. And yeah, that's basically what this video is, so I guess let's just begin, shall we? Right, so the first one we're testing is the 007 Aston Martin Racing DBR9. I remember using this thing in Project Gundam Racing 4. If you played that game before, then I reckon you should, then please do let me know. Yeah. And, I should also mention, see here, I'm racing with ABS off and all that other stuff off as well, just because I just want to see how well I can do with them, and so far I've been doing pretty well with them, I'll say that much. Yeah. Here we go. Whoa. This thing is arguably probably my favorite one, and I love how it's numbered 007, which is James Bond's agent number, and considering this is an Aston Martin, that this makes it even more fitting. I don't know if they just did that just to make it a nice little nod. I don't know if they did that just to make it a small, just as a nod to... This is a nod to, the James Bond films, or if they just numbered it that way just because they felt like it. I don't know. But anyways, I better focus on this. Shifted up a little bit earlier than I thought that I probably should have, but it's fine. So right now, so far I'm really... First person in this thing looks sick. right now. I'm so far enjoying this. I mean, it feels a bit tail happy, which isn't too big of an issue. Ah, crap. This could be the last lap I do in this one, then I'm gonna move on. Whoa. See, that's what I was saying. I was saying that this thing is a bit tail happy, and there's just a prime example of it right there. Okay, yep. Yep, I think that's about gonna do it. Alright, so what are my opinions on the Aston Martin Racing DB09? Well, I mean, it's not bad. It's just, it feels a bit tail happy. It's got a lot of speed in it, I can tell you that. It's probably the fastest CT-LM car in the game, that is excluding DLC, if you're talking stock, but even so, it just felt kinda all over the place at times, which is definitely not giving it a good first impression. Anyways, let's move on to the Audi R8 LMS Ultra. Whoops, I misclicked. Alright, so this is the Audi Motorsport R8, the Audi R8 LMS Ultra. I've driven this thing before, and the sound this thing makes is incredible. Anyways, I should probably stop, do less talking and more racing. Here we are, got the R8 LMS Ultra going. last person in this looks so sick too. Oops, I forgot the shift. I braked a little bit too late. I didn't brake hard enough, I guess. That was my mistake. Just turn that big heavy baluba. far really good. Sorry if I haven't been talking much, I'm just trying to concentrate. I think this will be the last lap I do for the Audi. Alright, that's gonna do it for the Audi. So, overall opinions on the Audi? It's pretty solid. There was times, however, where it felt like it didn't want to turn that well, although maybe that was just me not being that good in this game. I don't know, but it still felt pretty good. Anyways, moving on. Next, we have the Bentley Import Bentley Continental GT3. I've got a lot to say about this car specifically. Alright, so this is the Bentley. I really don't have much to say about it, honestly. It looks pretty nice. I like the paint scheme on it. That wing is freaking massive. Down there. Did that say crew? Yeah, it does. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get this Bentley onto the track. So, my opinion on the Bentley overall, it's not bad, but it certainly could be better. It's just way too hard it's just such a handful to keep under control, and yeah. Anyways, moving on, we got two BMWs. We'll have the Z4 GTE and the M3 GT2. Well, let's focus on the Z4 GTE first, though. Now, from what I've heard, this car is apparently really good. So, yeah, this is what it looks like. I chose the white livery. I chose this white, red, blue, and light blue livery, just because I thought it looked kind of cool. The car itself looks cool, and I've heard this thing before, and my goodness, it sounds great. So let's go ahead and take it to the Catalunya and see what we can do. So here we are, we're here. Oh my god, this thing is loud. Oh my god. This thing is so loud. Listen to it. God, this thing turns so well. It just stuck to the road. It's so flat. I think from here on out I'm just gonna do like 3 laps with these things. This video's already 20 minutes long, and I don't want it to be any longer than it needs to. thing has so much grip. I feel so confident driving this thing. We're gonna last time for this thing. I'm really enjoying this thing. Acceleration on this thing. I'll be able to see Ford GTE. Not bad by any means at all. Oh yeah, that's the BMW Z4 GTE. So my opinion on the Z4 GTE, way better than I expected it to be. It is got so much grip, and it's considering it, and it doesn't even, and while it wasn't too quick on the straight, I don't think that really matters because this thing's got so much grip and got so much grip. It's ridiculous. You even saw I was having such a hard time getting it to control. Jesus. Anyways, let's move on to the M3 GT2. And I'm actually just driving this for the first time. I hadn't gotten a chance to drive this thing yet up until now, and I must say the paint job on it looks pretty nice, I must admit. Again, with that massive wing, as these things tend to have. Let's go ahead and take this thing down to Catalunya and see what it's capable of. Alright, so here is the BMW. Oh my god. This thing is quick. The handling is a bit choppy though. It's nothing too bad. Again, so much grip. God, this thing is so good. It turns so well. Lost a bit of grip there, that's fine. I managed to correct it though. And a nice lap for this thing, and then moving on. Oops, I got a little bit. Oh crap. I spun out. Alright, so that's the BMW M3 GT2. Yeah, I must say, didn't expect it to be that good. Okay, so, M3 GT2 thoughts? It's, again, very good. Much better than I expected it to be. Despite the fact that it's slightly more powerful than this guy, which explained why it's a bit quicker on the straight, but my god. Anyways, let's move on to the Corvette Racing Corvette C7.R. I've driven this thing in the past for showcases, but I've never really but I haven't really tested it full on. Yeah, I mean, it looks nice, I'll give it that. It's one of my favorite looking. The wing, at least this one doesn't have wing, at least this one has a wing that isn't just completely massive. Let's go ahead and get it to Catalunya. Alright, so here we are, I've got the Corvette here. This thing sounds like it's loud. God, this thing's... Okay, it doesn't feel like it wants to turn all that well, which is a bit concerning. Never mind, it seems like it's just... I think it's tied with this front tires a bit cold, that's why I didn't want it to turn at first. This thing got quite a bit of grip on it, I will say. It's fairly grippy. Some of you guys might be wondering if I'm going to do the SRT Viper GTLM car, and the answer is no. While it is technically from a different manufacturer, it also just looks the same as the other Vipers, so I'm just gonna not even worry about trying it. Alright, here we go. It's the last lap I'm going to do for this, because I'm going to do 2 laps now, because this video's probably gone on much longer than I originally intended it to. I braked way too early, and now I gotta pay the consequences. Well, that'll be fine. I can make up for lost time. gonna do it for the Corvette. I gotta say, very interesting, pretty decent, I must say. Right, opinions for the Corvette? I mean, it's good. I'll give it that. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'll just say that. It's pretty good. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 for this. Don't worry, it'll come back. It'll be soon. But this was a surprise I wanted to show you. So this is obviously a Jaguar D-Type, and you can see what I've done here. I've made it like a little Christmas theme. See there, got some snowflakes there. Got a snow-covered Christmas tree there. Got some racing numbers on it. So what I've decided to do will be this. Every season, every single, depending on what holiday it's getting close to, I'll go in and change the look of this car. Go in, give this car a different paint, change the color of this car, give it a bit different paint job, depending on what holiday we're getting close to. So obviously, since we're getting close to Christmas, I've made it look like a Christmas themed car. New Year's will obviously be New Year's. On Groundhog Day will be obviously Groundhog Day themed, and yada, and so on and so forth. You get the idea. But that's not the main reason I wanted to bring this thing up. Yeah, you probably know by now that I'm in the speedy car, and they don't come anywhere as hard as this thing. Here we go. So this is the part I wanted to show you guys. Yep, it's one of these. There goes the tail thing. I don't know why that does that, but I don't care. I love it. I love it. I love it. Here we go. This is it, boys. Here we go. I don't care about your little stuff there. Go, Jag D-Type, go! 275, there it is! Let's start the game, baby! No. Okay, thank you. Let's get back up to speed again so we can hit this wall pretty hard, and let's whip it! Yay! Oh! Nice. Do some sick donuts, baby! Yeah! Yeah! Go first person in this. Nice. Look at this. Alright, let's do this the other way now. Let's whip it around again. I don't know why that thing on the back keeps filtered out like that, but I don't care. Here we go, look at this. First person doing juice. Let's go do some first person. Look at this. This looks so nice. Oh. And that's gonna do it, guys. So, see you later. Peace.